The historic village of Tomintoul is one of the highest villages in Scotland, and there's a definite feel of being on the edge here. Winters can be long and hard, and the road over the nearby Lech to Corgarth is often the first in the country to be blocked by snow. As such, the village itself attracts lots of outdoor people, skiers in winter and hikers and mountain bikers in summer. A plethora of walks on the nearby mountain bike trails at Glenlivet has made Tomintoul into something of a mini outdoor capital. The village is also on the Whisky Trail and Snow Road routes, and for campervanners like me, Tomintoul is something rather special. I want to give a wee shout out this morning for the campervan air in Tomintoul in the Scottish Highlands. It's a fantastic example of a local community, in this case the bowling club in Tomintoul, taking the initiative and creating something out of really what was a space that was left empty for much of the time. So in their car park by the bowling green, they've put in some electric hookup points, put in some dustbins, and give out a hearty welcome to campervanners who want to stop for the night. It's a great spot. It's very, very peaceful. This morning we woke up to the sound of curlews and lapwings singing. It's just absolutely glorious here, and all for a fee of £8 a night. Now that's not bad, is it? And that includes toilet, water, and there's no waste disposal, unfortunately, but there's everything else. And if you want to pay an extra £4, you've got electric hookup. So 12 quid for a night for electric hookup as well. I think that's very, very reasonable. I'd like to see a lot more places like this throughout the Scottish Highlands. It's coming. There's lots more being developed, lots more in the pipeline. But I think if anybody is kind of thinking of doing something like this, making a wee bit of extra money from your car park or whatever, then the people here at Tomintoul have done a fantastic job, and it's a really good example of just what can be done with a bit of local initiative. So Tomintoul Campervan Park, fantastic.